Alright guys, check this one out. Staff machine learning research scientists, they're paying 178k, and look at that. They're looking for Hugging Face skills. Oh, shut up. 325k? Hugging Face? And look at this prompt engineer 20. Wow, haha. Hugging Face. Look at this AI engineer 198k. Hugging Face skills. Look at this AI research 2025 graduate 231k. Wow. And look at that Hugging Face skills. Look at this AI machine learning engineer 170k. They're looking for Hugging Face skills. And look at this lead data scientist, and they're looking for Hugging Face skills. These are real jobs hiring right now, and these companies are paying big bucks for people who know how to use this tool. Think I'm kidding? Just look at this listening. Hugging Face is popping up everywhere, from startups to big names like Microsoft, Apple, Google, NVIDIA, you name it. So if you have been wondering how to break into AI or take your career to the next level, this is it. This is your chance to stand out. And today I'm going to show you exactly why Hugging Face is the tool you need to learn. Trust me, by the end of this video, you will know why companies are so obsessed with Hugging Face and how you can use it to land these kind of dream jobs. So let's get into it. So here's the deal. Hugging Face is this incredible platform where you can access pre-trained AI models, datasets and tools to build all kind of crazy smart applications, chatbots, image generators, voice assistants, you name it. Hugging Face can help you build it. It started back in 2016, founded by these two genius gentlemen called Clement DeLonghi and Julian Chaumont. They were originally working on a chatbot app, but quickly realized the tools they were building were way bigger than chatbots. Now, Hugging Face is the go-to place for anything AI. Here's the kicker. It's not just for developers tinkering at home. Huge companies using Hugging Face in real-world projects. I'm talking Microsoft, NVIDIA, Google, Meta, you name it. Microsoft, for example, integrates Hugging Face models directly into Azure AI services. NVIDIA uses it to optimize AI models for their GPUs, and Meta is leveraging it for research and products. These aren't small players, they are the giants of the tech industry, and the fact that they are all using Hugging Face, it shows just how powerful this tool is. So what does this mean for you? It means that learning Hugging Face can open up some amazing career opportunities. Companies are actively looking for people who know how to use Hugging Face, and they are willing to pay big money. You could land jobs like machine learning engineer, data scientist, NLP specialist, AI researcher, even software developer roles with an AI focus. And it's not just tech giants, startups, healthcare companies, educational platforms. They are all diving into AI and need people who can bring these tools to life. What makes Hugging Face so special is how it's easy to use. They have got this library called Transformers, the ultimate toolkit for building AI models. You can use pre-trained models for tasks like sentiment analysis, translation, and even text generation. Here's the best part. It's beginner friendly. You don't need to build models from scratch. Hugging Face has done the heavy lifting for you. You just plug in, fine-tune it for your needs, and bam! you have got an AI model ready to go. Let me give you some real world examples so this doesn't feel abstract. Number 1, customer support. AI chatbots built with Hugging Face can handle most customer queries, saving companies time and money. Number 2, healthcare. AI can analyze patient data or help doctors diagnose disease faster. Number 3, education. Adaptive learning apps using Hugging Face to create personalized study plans for students. This is in the future. It's happening right now and you can be part of it. So how do you get started? Simple. Go to Hugging Face website and explore. They have got free tutorials, pre-trained models, and even a platform called Space where you can deploy your own AI apps. Start small. Try a basic text analysis project, or if you are feeling adventurous, dive into their GitHub and experiment with their Transformers library. It's all about getting hands-on. Alright, so you have signed into Hugging Face and now you are looking at this beautiful dashboard. Pretty cool, right? But let me walk you through exactly what you are seeing and how this portal is packed with features that make building and experimenting with AI super intuitive. This is going to be your guide to navigating everything Hugging Face has to offer. Right here in the middle, you have got the activity feed. This shows updates from the Hugging Face community, datasets, spaces, and other projects people are working on. Think of it like your AI news feed. You can see when someone uploads or updates something cool, and if you are following specific creators, their activity shows up here too. And on the right side, you have the trending section. These are the most popular models, datasets, and projects from the last week. If you are wondering what's hot in AI right now, this is where you'll find it. For example, look at DeepSeek R1 and Kokoro TTS. These tools everyone's buzzing about. Alright, now let's move to the left hand side. This is where you'll navigate everything on Hugging Face. First one is profile. This is your personal space. You can update your details, add a profile picture, and even showcase your contributions like models or datasets you have uploaded. Inbox, here we get notification, things like updates to models you are following or messages from the community. Think of it as your AI inbox. Settings, this is where you manage your account settings, API tokens, privacy preferences, all the technical stuff. You don't need to touch often, but is there where you need it. Billing, if you are using Hugging Face Pro or Enterprise features, this is where you'll manage payments and subscriptions. Organization. This is super cool. If you are collaborating with a team, you can create or join organizations. It's like having a shared workspace for all your AI projects. Now, resources section, we can see Hub Guide. So perfect for beginners. It's step-by-step guide on how to use Hugging Face. Very cool to learn from the bottom for beginners. This is a good resource. Next we have Transformers doc. Deep dive into Transformers library, a must read if you're working with NLP. For community decision tips and help if you get stuck, this is your go-to place. Task, a list of AI tasks you can work on like translation, summarization, or sentiment analysis. Learn educational resources to help you level up your skills. Everything you need to learn. Now, right at the top, you got the search bar. This is your key to find anything on Hugging Face. Want a specific model? Type it in. Looking for a dataset? Same thing, it's smart too. You'll get suggestion as you type, and you can filter results by models, datasets or spaces. It's super handy when you're trying to find exactly what you need for your project. Now let's move to the top right navigation tabs. These are the main section of Hugging Face. You can see models. This is where you'll find all the pre-trained models. Hugging Face has thousands of them for tasks like the text generation, image recognition and more. You can sort by popularity, task type or even specific frameworks like PyTorch or TensorFlow. Datasets. If you need data to train your models, this is the place to go. They have got datasets for almost everything: text, images, audio, you name it. Spaces. This is one of my favorite features. Spaces lets you build and share AI applications right in your browser. You don't need to set up servers or anything. Just create a space, deploy your app and share it with the world. Pause. This is like a blog section. You'll find updates, articles and community announcements here. Great for staying updated on what's happening in the AI world. Pretty cool. Docs. This is where all the technical documentation lives. If you're diving deep into Hugging Face tools, the docs are your best friend. Enterprise. If you're working at a company and need enterprise level solution, this tab has all the info about Hugging Face adventurous features. And finally, the pricing tabs give you a breakdown of free versus pro features. The free plan is pretty generous, but if you need faster models or private spaces, the pro plan is worth checking out. So there you have it. Hugging Face isn't just some tool, it's a gateway to an amazing career in AI. Whether you want to build your own projects, work for a tech giant or stand out in your job hunt, this is how you do it. And remember, the AI job market is only getting bigger. The sooner you start, the sooner you can position yourself as someone companies are dying to hire. If this got you excited, hit that like button, share this video with someone who needs to hear it, and of course, subscribe for more content like this. Let's take your AI journey to the next level. See you in the next one.